Hi, Dr. Scott Goldsmith here. About ready to start another Jiffy Knee on this 61-year-old male who's suffered from left knee pain following a work accident and failed all conservative therapy, so he's getting his Jiffy Knee replacement today. Some of the misconceptions you hear about Jiffy Knees out there on the internet, careful what you read on the internet, is that this is a total knee replacement. It's the exact same cuts and implants that you would use for a standard knee replacement, but the approach to the knee is different. So in that it is a knee replacement, you can still and often do have swelling, have pain, have bruising in black and blue, and that can last for weeks or even months sometimes, and it's uncomfortable. What the Jiffy Knee allows is a little bit of a quicker recovery through those first several weeks and certainly first few months. So the pain is less, your range of motion is better, your strength is better. But it's still a total knee replacement, which requires a commitment from the patient to work hard during that early rehabilitation process. What we're seeing at the 3-week mark is many of the Jiffy Knees are coming in without canes or walkers anymore. So the rehab is being progressed a little bit, actually a lot faster than when we do a standard knee replacement. What is true about the Jiffy Knee is that we do not cut the quadriceps. We move it out of the way so we do not cut the muscle. But the use of a tourniquet, therapy, either home health or outpatient, the implant that they use is all variable and is up to the individual surgeon. All the Jiffy Knee doctors perform the Jiffy Knee approach without cutting that quadricep, without cutting that extensor mechanism, but there's still plenty of variation in how we actually treat our patients during and after surgery. So any more questions about the Jiffy Knee, make sure you contact us here at Orthopaedic Medical Group.